New birders often have a fondness for birds with long tails. In urban areas, you might spot the rufous tree, wire-tailed swallow, and with some luck, the paradise flycatcher in the NCR. The Himalayan foothills are home to many long-tailed birds, such as red-billed magpies, grey treepies, spotted forktail. In many parts of the Indian jungle, you can find the greater racket-tailed drongo. These fascinating birds with long tails provide an initial thrill for new bird enthusiasts. However, the star of the wetlands, easily found in the NCR, is the pheasant-tailed jacana. Pheasant-tailed jacanas are resident birds in the NCR and can be seen with little effort around wetlands. However, during the breeding season, they are in their full glory. With long tails and golden necks, they look like creatures from a dreamland. With its striking appearance and unique behavior, the pheasant-tailed jacana is a true marvel of the avian world. Notice its long, slender toes. These remarkable adaptations allow the jacana to walk effortlessly on floating vegetation, giving it the nickname Lily Trotter. The wetlands provide a rich habitat, bustling with life. As the sun begins to set, the golden hues cast a magical glow over the water, creating a perfect backdrop for our elegant visitor. The pheasant-tailed jacana scientific name, Hydrophasianus chirurgus, develops long tail feathers during the breeding season, a feature that plays a significant role in its reproductive strategies. Non-breeding jacanas are beautiful, though not quite as dreamy. The long, elegant tail feathers are used to attract potential mates. In many bird species, elaborate plumage is an indicator of health and genetic fitness, and the pheasant-tailed jacana is no exception. The more impressive the tail, the more likely a bird is to attract a mate. During courtship, males display their golden neck feathers along with their long tails. This combined visual spectacle is designed to attract females and outcompete rival males. The bird may use specific movements to catch the light and enhance the visual impact of the golden feathers, making them appear even more vibrant. While the golden neck is primarily used for attraction and display in certain light conditions and against specific backgrounds, it might also aid in blending in or confusing predators and rivals. Have you noticed the moving traffic in the background while watching this entire video? Just like the passing traffic, if you're not a bird enthusiast, you might overlook these beautiful birds and miss out on one of nature's most stunning aspects amid the hustle and bustle of life. It's up to you to decide whether to observe these duos in their natural habitat or spend your evening in the concrete jungle. Both options are available in the heart of Gurugram. What you learn and enjoy, you'll pass on to the next generation.